हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आई होप आप सभी अच्छे होंगे। तो आज का टॉपिक है डेसिमल्स। लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स: डेसिमल नंबर्स, रीडिंग डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन, प्लेस वैल्यू इन डेसिमल्स, टाइप्स ऑफ डेसिमल नंबर्स, ऑर्डरिंग एंड कंपेयरिंग डेसिमल नंबर्स। नाउ डेसिमल नंबर्स. A decimal number has two parts separated by a point or dot called decimal point. The part before the decimal point is called the whole number and the part after the decimal point is called the decimal part or fractional part. A decimal is a fraction having 10, 100, 1000 and so on as denominator. 1/10. 1/10 means 1/10, that is equals to 0.1. ये जो डॉट लगा हुआ है that is decimal 1. Now 1/100, इसमें से एक ही 100 में से एक ही पार्ट हमारा क्या है, शेडेड है, तो 1/100 that is equals to 0.01. Similarly 1/1000 is equals to 0.001. It can be explained as 10ths. When 1 is divided into 10 equal parts, each part is called 1/10 or 10ths as shown in figure 1. So, the fractional form of 1/10 is 1/10. The decimal form of 1/10 is 0.1. Now, hundredths. If we divided 1/10 into 10 equal parts, each part is called 1/100th and is written as 1/100 as in figure 2. In the decimal form, it will be 0.01 and it can be 1/10 is equals to 10 hundredths. Next, thousandths. If we divided 100 into 10 equal parts, each part is called 1/1000th and is written as 1/1000. In the decimal form, it will be is equals to 0.001 or 1/1000th is equals to 10 hundredths. Right? Example. Write 2/10, 3/100, 4/1000 as decimals. Solution करते हैं. 2/10 is equals to 0.2, 3/100 is equals to 0.03, 4/1000 is equals to 0.004. Reading decimal fractions. To read the decimal fraction, number 1, read digit to the left of the decimal point as a whole number. Number 2, use and for the decimal point. Number 3, read digit to the right of decimal point as a whole number. Number 4, take the place name of the last digit. Example करते हैं. Example 1, 2.4, 2.4, 2 and 4/10th. Decimal के तुरंत बात है 4/10th. It will be read as 2 and 4/10ths or 2.4. Common error. Students often get confused between the two rules for reading decimals. For example, 20.15 is read as 20.15 and not 20.15. Example 2. Read the following. 5/100 is equals to 0.05. ये हमारा क्या है? 0.05. 5/1000 is equals to 0.005. We say each figure after the decimal point separately. Now next is mixed fraction can be written as decimal also. Example करते हैं. 13 is to 1/10 is equals to 131/10 is equals to 13.1. A decimal number has two parts, integral part and decimal part. In 13.1, integral part is equals to क्या है हमारा 13 and 1 is equals to decimal part. Now place value in decimals. In the decimal system, the place value increase 10 times as we move to left or divide by 10 as we move to right. Example करते हैं. 56.02 in expanded form. 56.02 is equals to 56. तो 50 plus 6 plus डेसिमल के बाद 0 है कौन से प्लेस पे 10th प्लेस पे, तो 0 अपॉन 10 और 100th प्लेस पे क्या है 2 प्लस 2 अपॉन 100. It can be shown on a place value chart. Tens, ones, tenths और hundredths. इस तरह से हमने place value chart बनाया. 5, 6, 0, 2. The place value chart can be represented as follows. Ones, tens, 100,000 ये तो हमारा होता ही है. डेसिमल के बाद क्या होता है हमारा tenths, hundredths, thousands और उससे आगे जैसे जैसे बढ़ता जाएगा. Now next is types of decimal numbers. First is like decimals. If two decimal fractions have equal number of decimal places, they are known as like decimals. Example 4.05, 156.06, 79.07, etc. Now unlike decimals. If two decimal fractions have different number of decimal places, they are known as unlike decimals. Example 0.01, 0.656, 8.1, etc. Now next, equivalent decimal fractions. 0.7 is equals to 0 plus 7 by 10 is equals to 7 by 10. 0.7 is equals to 7 by 10. 0.70 is equals to 7 by 10 plus 0 by 100 is equals to 7 by 10 plus 0 is equals to 7 by 10. 0.700 is equals to 7 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 0 by 1000 is equals to 7 by 10 plus 00 is equals to 7 by 10. So 0.7 is equals to 0.7 is equals to 0.70 is equals to 0.700. So they are equivalent decimals. In the decimal fraction, 0 or zeros at the end of decimal fraction never change the value of decimal fraction. Now some more examples. Example 1. Write 5 tenths plus 2 ones plus 1 tenths plus 2 hundredths in the short form. Solution करते हैं. 5 tenths plus 2 ones plus 1 tenths plus 2 hundredths. यहाँ पे कितना है 2 ones. तो 50 plus 2 plus 1 upon 10. 10th प्लेस पे क्या है 1 तो 1 upon 10. 100th प्लेस पे क्या है 2 तो 2 upon 100. That is equals to 50 plus 2 plus 1 upon 10 is 0.1 plus 2 upon 100 is कितना होगा 0.02. Now ऐड करेंगे 52 पॉइंट, यहाँ पे कितना हो जाएगा 52.12. Now example 2. Write 5.7304 in the expanded form. Solution करते हैं. 5.7304 होल पार्ट में क्या है 5 प्लस 10th प्लेस पे 7 अपॉन 10 प्लस 100th पे 3 अपॉन 100, 1000th प्लेस पे 0 तो 0 अपॉन 1000 प्लस 10,000 प्लेस पे 1000th प्लेस पे 4 तो 4 अपॉन 10,000. Now next example 3. Write as common fractions. A 0.035, B 38.8031. सॉल्यूशन करते हैं. A part, number is equals to 0.035. Number of digits in decimal part कितना है? 3. The denominator is equals to 1000. So the fraction is equals to 35 upon 1000. डेसिमल के बाद जितने नंबर्स होते हैं, जितनी डिजिट्स होती हैं, नीचे उतना ही जीरो. 2 डिजिट है 100, 3 डिजिट है 1000. नाउ बी पार्ट, नंबर इज इक्वल्स टू 38.8031. द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स इन डेसिमल पार्ट कितने हैं? 4. तो कितना हो जाएगा? द डिनोमिनेटर इज इक्वल्स टू 10,000. सो द फ्रैक्शन 388031 अपॉन 10,000. Now next is ordering and comparing decimal numbers. To compare decimal numbers, compare digits at each place by moving left to right. If at a place digits are equal, compare digits of next place on the right. Example करते हैं. Example 1. Compare 5.3 and 6.4. सॉल्यूशन करते हैं. वंस प्लेस पे क्या है? 5. हेयर वंस प्लेस पे कितना है? 6. नाउ डेसिमल है. 10th प्लेस पे यहाँ पे कितना है? 1 10th प्लेस पे 3 और यहाँ पे कितना है? 4. कंपेयर वंस. 5 इज लेस देन 6, सो 5.3 इज लेस देन 6.4. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 2. Arrange 8.6, 10.425, 0.523 in ascending order. सॉल्यूशन करते हैं. डेसिमल नंबर, टेंस, वंस, डेसिमल, टेनेट्स, हंड्रेड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स. ये हमने लिख लिया. फर्स्ट हमारा 8.6, तो हमारा वंस प्लेस पे कितना है? 8 और 0.6 है. 10th प्लेस पे कितना है? 6. बाकी 0 0. नाउ 10.425, तो 10th प्लेस पे 1, वंस प्लेस पे 0.425, 10ths, हंड्रेड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स. नेक्स्ट है 0.525, तो 10th और वंस पे 0 0. डेसिमल के बाद हमारा 5 2 5. सो 0.525 इज लेस देन 8.6 इज लेस देन 10.425. More uses of decimals. Decimal can be used in measures of length, capacity and mass. Example, 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. That is equals to 0.001 kilometer. Same way, 1 gram is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. That is equals to 0.001 kilogram. And 100 paisa is equals to 1 rupee. And 1 paisa is equals to 1 upon 100. That is equals to 0.01 rupees. तो इस तरह से बच्चों एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is let's review. Decimal fractions have 10, 100, 1000 or any multiple of 10 as their denominator. Next, a decimal fraction can be written as a decimal number with a point and no denominator. Next, in a decimal number, the part before the decimal point is called the whole number part and the part after the decimal point is called the decimal or fractional part. Next, as we move towards the right in place value chart, the value of a digit decreases every time and gets 10 times smaller for each place. Next, the decimal having same number of digits after the decimal point are called like decimals. Next, unlike decimals, numbers have different number of digits after the decimal point. Next, two decimal numbers are said to be equivalent decimals if they represent the same value. तो इस तरह से बच्चों, आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया. इसके रिवीजन आप खुद कीजिए.